Hello, welcome to the Popped In channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Marvel Collector Corps Guardians of the Galaxy. So I get this every other month. It's supposed to come at the end of May, but it was running a little behind, so finally got it. So let's see what I got. Here we go. The first thing is the t-shirt. Oh, Rocket and Groot. Look at that. That's a cool t-shirt. I really love it. Haha. Alrighty. See here. You get a sticker. Okay. There's a little rocket pin. Alright, and you get 2 pops. So let's see what I got. Aisha. Okay. That's cool. I hate to say it, but I haven't gone and seen Guardians of the Galaxy yet. Part 3, so don't know. I'm sorry they called it Volume 3. And oh, Adam Warlock. Alrighty. Oh, that's cool. Like that. Got a little Adam Warlock here. Okay. And you also get this card. It tells you the next one is the Marvels. So that should be coming out within the next 2 months, hopefully. But I hope you can follow me on the next unboxing to see the Marvels. And tell me what you think about these. I like them, so they're both, I guess she's from the same as Adam Warlock is. This is cool. Awesome. Bye now.